This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the bat wings stay up instead of being in automatic mode. Pretty simple to do. You will need an assistant, so I do have Paul here to help me, but let's get started here.
All right, so Paul's going to hit the back button for the bat wings. Should go up in a minute. Three, two, one, kill it. And we got it. Nice.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.